Hey guys, welcome back. I am Justin, and today I will teach you how to change Courier address in TikTok Shop. So let's get started. Open the TikTok mobile app on your device. Within the app, locate and tap on the Shop option, which is found in the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. From here, look for the address option from the menu selection on top. Here, you will see a list displaying all the delivery addresses you've previously saved. If you want to change an existing address, select the address from the list and edit the necessary information you want to change. In case you want to add a new delivery address, click on Add Address located here on top. Enter the necessary details for the new address, such as the recipient's full name, contact phone number, state, zip code, street name, and apartment or house number. To make this new address the default, you can toggle the option labeled Set as Default. Before saving the new address, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure its accuracy and completeness. Providing accurate details is crucial for ensuring smooth and successful deliveries. After clicking Save, new address has been successfully added to your account and is now available for use during checkout. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.